What is up, guys? It's Raul TV, Team R4UL. We're back again, back in the garage, and what we're going to do this time round is we're going to change the auxiliary belt, the fan belt that is, on a 2013 plate VW Passat B7. I think it is a B7 one, yeah. It's a diesel. It's the this is the 2-litre diesel. I think they're pretty much the same on all 1.9 TDIs and 2-litre TDIs, but this one's a 2-litre. Let's go. Let's do it. Okay, guys, first thing we're going to do is we're going to take this cover off, the bottom cover, the under tray, basically, little stars here, T25s. Take all these off. I've already took one off there. All the way around the back as well. I think it's T40 on the back, but this one, I took them off and put normal 13mm on. So whatever it is, basically, we need this cover off. Let's take this cover off. Okay, guys, the next job we're going to do is we're going to take this cover off. I've already took all the bolts off, screws off. One there, few along the side here. We need this corner one off. Basically, that's off. Right, I had to get two hands on it because obviously we're stuck on this side, so you need two hands to take it off. And I had the camera in the hand, so I cannot do. I haven't got three hands, put it that way. Right, so anyway, this cover comes off, and there is the fan belt. Dead easy. All we do is there's the auxiliary belt. That's the tensioner. We're going to get a 16mm, or is it a 15mm? 15 or 16mm bolt head. Slacken the tensioner, belt comes straight off. Right, let's do that. Okay, guys, it's a 16mm on this one. It could be a 15mm on yours. It depends on the make of the tensioner. But this one is a 15mm. All we do is we go clockwise to slacken it. Normally on bolts, you turn it anti-clockwise to take bolts off. Yeah, on this one, clockwise to slacken the fan belt. So basically I'm going clockwise. As you can see, the belt goes loose. Yeah. There we go. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to put the camera down and just flick that belt off. Yeah, okay, let's do that. There we go. The belt should come straight off. No messing. Happy days. If you want to, you can go ahead and change the tensioner. It's only one bolt. Basically, take this one off, the 16mm, take that off, and behind there's another bolt. Take that off, and basically the tensioner will come off. But we're just changing the fan belt, auxiliary belt. Let's get the new one on. Okay, guys, we've got the new belt. Right, top tip: put the top on first, the alternator side on first, because if you put the bottom on first, put this one on and put this one on, and then put the belt around here, when you come to tension it up, you're struggling to get to the alternator pulley. So what you do is put the top one on first, then put the the air conditioning side on, then along the bottom of the tensioner, and then we go about here. And this is where you need, it's either two hands or you need an assistant. Basically you need to slacken the tensioner and put the belt over. I'm going to do that now. I'm going to basically put the camera down and do it, unless 1 minute. Right, guys, as you can see there, I've got the belt round here on the top pulley, on the air conditioning pulley. What I'm going to do now is take it along the top there, so that's on as well, halfway. And then what we do is put that on there again, clockwise to slacken it. Carry on going all the way, so we can't go no more. Belt on, make sure it's on all pulleys. Happy days. What we do is now we slowly release it. Don't just go releasing it in one go and then, you know, snap the belt or something like that, damage something. There we go, belt is on. What you could do now is send the car down. If you're doing it on the floor, obviously you'll have axle stands on it and make sure it's safe and everything, jack on it. What you could do now, before you start putting everything back on, all the covers back on, all the quarter panel back on and everything, send it down, start it up, see if everything's okay, see if the belt, you know, doesn't squeak or squeal or anything like that. It should be okay, brand new belt. The thing is, check for the tension. Looks okay. Yeah, let's do that. Let's send it down and let's start it up. There we have it, guys, all on, no messing, 10 minutes job. If you really work at it, you can do it within 10-15 minutes. You know, I was just messing about, so yeah, it took me about half an hour. Like I say, if you're gonna do it on the floor, make sure you put a block on the back. Make sure you put axle stands on it, jack it up. If you want to make your life easier, just take the wheel off. I didn't take the wheel off, but take the wheel off, it will make your life even easier. And that's it. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. You leave a comment in the comment section. You know, I'm back again. We're back in the garage. It's good to be back. Like I said, like, share and subscribe to my channel. Hit that bell button for me. Leave a comment in the comment section. And yeah, that's how we changed the fan belt, the auxiliary belt, on a 2013 VW Passat B7 2-litre diesel. Peace and blessings to you guys, and stay safe, stay home, stay safe. I'm only out because I have to be out, work and back, that's it. Well, Raoul TV out.